情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一客语。
Hey, what's up? Welcome back to Daily Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling。
Joseph， 你嘅分機幾多好啊？
分機有1、2、3。
好，我下次記得。
1、2、3。Hey, you know what? Why don't we teach you this about transferring people on a call? Because this month is all about calling on the phone, right? 轉接到底怎麼說啊？
jiabˋ。
Okay, that means to transfer. So some situations you might encounter include, how about calling a hotel and they transfer you to the reservations? 請稍後，我轉接給訂房部門。
請等一下。
請等一下。
ngaĭ接本訂房部門。
ngaĭ接本訂房部門。訂房是訂房。 Oh, that means to reserve a room. Okay, and then 請稍後 please wait.
請等一下。
請等一下。那有的時候打錯分機了，人家要轉接嘛 right? Let's say you got the wrong extension and that person wants to transfer you. You might say 打錯分機了，我幫你轉接。
打唔錯分機咧。
打唔錯分機咧。
ngaiʼ接過去。
ngaiʼ接過去。 Cool, now you know how to say this in Hakka when you want to transfer someone, and transfer 轉接叫做
jiabˋ。
And there you have it, another Daily Hakka on ICRT.
什麼大家？
單字細張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.